to bar gaming.
I have destroyed Orochimaru. Next is... Suigetsu. This just might end up being fun. Mission start. I need to set my game pieces up just right. First of all, Suigetsu. I'll take him.
You must have Lord Orochimaru's
Orochimaru.
It can't be. Huh. A seal that can only be opened. You may be strong.
Don't make me laugh.
We must avenge Lord Orochimaru.
Cute. Let's see you try. Orochimaru is dead. Why do you fight?
We have sworn fealty to Lord Orochimaru.
Though we all may be lacking in power individually.
If we all take him at once, we can stop him. Give him everything you got.
Fools. You have no idea just how outmatched you are.
Don't interfere. Nori sharp.
Don't waver. Sasuke may be strong, but there's only one of them.
I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
Don't waver. Sasuke may be strong, but there's only one of them.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
No, this.
All right. Get out of my way.
Taking on every member of this.
Now that Orochimaru is gone, you're all just a herd of lost sheep. Fighting mindless jutsu fodder. No surprise there.
After murdering Lord Orochimaru, what are you after next? Don't interfere.
I'm after vengeance. That's all.
Rip you to pieces! Rip you to pieces!
Don't waver. Sasuke may be strong, but there's only one of them.
Rip you to pieces!
Get out of my way.
No.
You cannot stop me. Stop resisting.
Don't underestimate.
Miss! Rip you to pieces!
Why did you kill Lord Orochimaru?
He was no longer necessary. That's all.
Miss! Rip you to pieces! Fire style! Fireball! Miss! Rip you to pieces!
Death to the traitor!
Miss! Rip you to pieces! Fire style! Fireball system! Miss! Rip you to pieces!
Get out of my
Fire
way.
style! Fireball system! Chidori! Miss! Rip you to pieces!
Death to the traitor!
Miss! Rip you to pieces!
Get out of my way.
Chidori! Chidori!
Death to the traitor!
Miss! Rip you to pieces! Miss! Rip you to pieces! Miss! Rip you
Fighting
to
mindless
pieces!
jutsu fodder. No surprise there.
Miss! Rip you to pieces! Miss! Rip you to pieces!
Why do they bother coming out just to die?
I'll use the curse mark. Over here!
You can repent for your murder of Lord Orochimaru in the afterlife!
Okay, what's next? I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
Why you? Do you?
I didn't come up here to waste my time.
Over here!
No, you can't win. Unlock the seal.
Silence, murderer! Over here! Over here!
Why do they bother coming out just to die?
Over here! Fire style! Fireball jutsu! Over here!
Get out of my way.
Over here! I should have finished this while I had the chance.
Death to the traitor!
No.
You.
I was never on your side to begin with. Now then, let's go. Get out of my way.
Hey, I think you're having.
Get lost, you.
I don't think so.
If you try to stop me, I'll just have to crush you too.
Chidori! Miss! Rip you to pieces! Miss!
I don't have time to waste on all these small fry.
Miss! Rip you to pieces! Miss!
Die,
Rip you to
Sasuke!
pieces! Miss! Rip you to pieces!
I'll crush you, Sasuke!
Don't interfere! Chidori sharp!
Get out of my way.
I'll rip you to pieces!
Why do they bother coming out just to
Rip you
die?
to pieces! Don't interfere! Shorty shark!
Die, Sasuke!
The pests are exterminated. Now to find Suigetsu. Here you are, Suigetsu. I'm getting—
Mission complete.
When I heard all that commotion, I should have known you were behind it. I take it then you've killed Orochimaru.
Yeah. Here, let's get you out of that thing.
I'm free at last. My thanks, Sasuke.
Suigetsu, you're my first recruit. Come with me.
With you? I guess. Since you saved me and all, I can't refuse to go with you. What for?
For now, just shut up and follow. I'll tell you in time.
Well, you can at least tell me where we're headed now.
We're going to the southern and then the northern hideouts.
Oh, so that means we must be...
Right. I'm taking 2 more with me. Kari.
I'm not real big on those two. We might not all get along real well, just to let you...
You don't need to be friends. Just cooperate.
Okay, I'll try. So, where to first?
We're going to the southern hideout first, to see Kari.
That woman. I don't really care much for her.